I've got my morels ready to cook. I've soaked them in water for a little bit, 2 washes, and drained them out so they're ready. I've got my flour with a little bit of Private Selection Himalayan pink sea salt. I got my oil in the pan. I've got it on medium-high heat. I'm just going to take a few of these, put them in the flour. Get a little bit of flour on them. And I'm going to toss them right in the pan. I'm going to let these brown. Get a few more ready to go. That's about 10 morels that I found at Hopkins Lake in Owasso, Michigan. I shouldn't have salted my flour so I could put it in my morel mixture. That's my bad. I have the bits that I cut off the morels, and that's going to be made into a mixture, and I'm going to replant it at Hopkins Lake today. Turn the heat down a little bit. These guys are ready to turn. You want them to get lightly brown. Heat up a little bit too high. So you want it just above medium. And they're about done. These taste like bacon and hamburger.